Assalamualaikum, I'm Tarek and I'm from Feeder College, PCHS campus. Till now, my experience has been rather fruitful and I have learned a lot throughout this session. For example, in Pen to Podium, I learned about how body language helps in our communication skills, and apart from that, there was a course regarding recipe for success, and in that I learned a lot about how our dreams and goals relate to our near and dear people, and I thoroughly enjoyed it till now.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mustafa Adil. I've come from Cedar College DHA campus, and I've come over here and I've learned different things. Inspirational, I've seen like motivational speakers over here. They've taught us many inspirational things, and we have also developed communication and confidence by interacting with each other and other students. We have participated in different activities as well, and we've got a better insight.
Hey there everyone, it's Mohammed Salar from BCG School PF chapter. Wow, it's really wonderful. What an event by Salim University. In the morning we attended our first session with Mr. Asim, a well-renowned corporate trader. We got to know about how to deal effectively, whether it's freelance market, entrepreneurship, or any other digital marketing services you are going to apply for. We learned how to speak in a great auditorium among so many pupils and etc.
My name is Samia Khan and I am from Wales College. I was blessed with the opportunity to attend this Summer Excellence program, and today was a really nice day, as in I learned a lot of new things, and this was a really profound experience, especially with the session with Dr. Abdul Bari Khan, and I learned a lot of first-hand experience from himself, and I would recommend everyone to participate in such summer excellence program, and I would like to thank Salim Habib University for providing this opportunity to so many of the students, and it was really fun today and I am looking forward to the other days to come.
Hello, I am Shazanat from Aga Khan Higher Secondary School. I am here at Summer Excellency Program, having a lot of fun here, making new friends. And I'm here at Summer Excellency Program. I'm having a lot of fun here, making new friends and socializing with them. We have had multiple events which are very well planned and well thought. We have had motivational speakers here who have been motivating us.
This is Sharia Luckily, I'm from Cedar College. We just had a speech from Abdul Bari Khan and it was so inspiring for us. It was like, it literally gave me goosebumps and it was pretty nice, it was pretty inspiring, and it made me feel that I should do something like this.